Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is face of Muhammad bin Qasim Masjid at old city of Sindh, capital city of Sindh, Arod. This is capital of this is capital of Sindhi people. This city's first king is Church, and after Raja Dahar, Muhammad bin Qasim, time of Muhammad bin Qasim, this masjid built, and this is in Northern Sindh, first masjid for Muslim people. And in Sindh, Masjid of Bambhor, first masjid of Sindh, and in Northern Sindh, that masjid is the first masjid of Sindh. This is time of Umayyah